Hey my little Frenchies, I'm Mervine Gowry and you're watching What the French, the channel that will teach you how to speak French the right way. Today we're going to talk about the present tense, the famous French present tense. So what is it and in what situations does it apply? This is exactly what we're going to talk about right after this. Okay, so the present tense, le présent, or in French you might hear as well le présent de l'indicatif. And today we're going to talk about the 5 different situations in which the present tense applies. So first, the action that is actually happening right now, the current action. For example, I am eating, je mange, je mange. One more time, je mange. The present tense can be used for a habitual action, something you do regularly, like every week you do something specific. When you describe it, you use the present tense. For example, if you want to tell someone you go to the church on Sundays, every Sunday, it will sound like je vais à l'église tous les dimanches. Je vais à l'église tous les dimanches. Or if you go to the market on Mondays, it would sound like je vais au marché tous les lundis. Tous les lundis, je vais au marché. So again, get used to the sound of the words and the way I pronounce. So don't hesitate to pause or to pronounce along with me in your head, or even better, out loud. Next is the absolute truth. So this is the third situation in which the present tense can be used to express an absolute truth. For example, if you go old school and you say the earth is round, la terre est ronde, la terre est ronde. Or another example could be education is important. L'éducation est importante. L'éducation est importante. The fourth situation in which the present tense can apply will be an action that is going to occur immediately. For example, if I say j'arrive, j'arrive, I'm on my way, j'arrive. So this is a situation, I would say the most used situation when it comes to present tense. The fifth situation in which the present tense can apply, and the last one, will be when it to express a condition. For example, if I can, I'll go with you. Si je peux, je viendrai avec toi. Si je peux, je viendrai avec toi. Now, it's pretty tricky actually, because the present tense can have 3 equivalents in English. For example, le verbe manger, to eat. In French, you would say je mange, right? But in English, it has 3 equivalents, like I eat, I am eating, and I do eat. So it's like 3 tricky equivalents that could lead to confusion. So make sure you stick to that playlist, and I'm going to go along the details in the next videos. So thank you for watching this one, and I'm not gonna take too much of your time for the conclusions. So just, if it's your first time, make sure you subscribe and you hit the bell to get notified I drop a new video, which is every single day. So if you want to make progress, make daily progress, make it a personal goal for you. All right, so enough talk, I'll see you in the next one.